the programmer. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to fetch the data from MySQL table in Python using pandas package. So first, I am going to see my data in my MySQL table. So here my table name will be employees and my DB name will be and also employees. So here I am going to take the data from my employees table. Select star from employees dot employees. So here this query will fetch all the details for the employees from my employees table. So which will contains employee number, first name, last name and birth date details. Now I am going to see how to fetch these same details in the Python coding using pandas package. So I will go to my browser. Here my Jupyter notebook is already running. I am going to create one new notebook. For this notebook, I am going to name it Pandas MySQL. Now I am going to import the package want to fetch the data from the MySQL table. I am going to import three packages called Pandas and PyMySQL, which will used to create a connection to the MySQL table, and NumPy package. So here my three packages are imported. Now I'm going to initiate one connection variable from the PyMySQL. So for that connection variable, I have to call method connect in the PyMySQL package. So in that method, I have to give the credential for my MySQL table. So first, the name will be user user. So my username will be Bodhi Programmer. I have to give my host name, which will be localhost. And I have to give my password, which will be Bodhi at 1234. And I have to give my default database name, which will be employees. Now I am going to execute this cell, which will initiate my connection object. Then I have to read that data using this query from the MySQL table. So first I am going to initiate one variable called data equal to pandas dot read SQL. Now I am going to pass two arguments into the read SQL method. First one will be the query, which is famous in the MySQL table, which will give my employees details. So first I am going to write the query. Select star from employees, which is my DB, and the same employees, which is also my table name. I have to pass the another variable as this connection. now I'm going to execute this cell. So this pandas read SQL will fetch the details from the MySQL table for all the employees details and store it into the data as a data frame. We can see this data from the data frame using a method called head. I will put into the head data.head. So, and I have to wait until this completed because there are 3 lakh of record in the table which will take some quite times. So here we can see that there are 3,24,000 rows and 1, 2, 3, 6 columns it is there. So if I print this head method will print the first 5 record from the data frame. So here you can see that the first 5 record is the same as that of MySQL table. So these employee table data will be familiarly available in the internet, which is also open source. So now I'm going to print this whole data variable, which will also contain the 3,24,000 rows and 6 columns. Thank you for watching this tutorial.